If you've ever noticed mysterious water under your kitchen sink, or your faucet hose isn't working quite right, it might be due to a leaking pull-down spray nozzle hose. Today, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to diagnose, remove, and replace a leaking pull-down kitchen faucet hose. I'll also share a few tips along the way to help make this repair simple even if it's your first time. Let's dive in. Identifying the problem. If your pull-down spray nozzle has a leak, especially when the hose is retracted, water can drip down through the faucet fixture into the cabinet below without you realizing it. That's what happened here. The first sign of a problem was water in the cabinet under the sink a couple of days after the bath. Step 1. Understand your faucet type. Before buying parts, identify your faucet type. This one is a pull-down, not a pull-out. They use different hoses and connectors. This fixture uses a locking collar and a hose with an O-ring and washer that sits inside the nozzle. It's important to get the exact match. Step 2. Tools and parts. New or replacement hose. Check your brand. This is a hand screw hose for a grow faucet. Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, towel or small bucket, rubber tape or gasket material. Step 3. Remove the old hose. Go under the sink and locate the hose weight. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove it. Find the quick connect fitting and disconnect it by pulling up on the collar and separating the hose. With the hose disconnected and the weight removed, go back up top. Unscrew the locking collar at the spray nozzle, remove the nozzle, and pull the entire hose out through the top of the faucet. Step 4. Install the new hose. I'm using a hand screw replacement hose, which fits this grow faucet due to their compatible connections. Make sure you use the plastic guide cap that comes on the new hose. It helps feed the hose through the faucet body. Drop the hose down through the faucet until it comes out below the sink. Don't forget to slip the locking collar onto the hose before attaching the nozzle. Attach the nozzle, screw the collar tight, and you're done up top. Step 5. Connect under the sink. Remove the protective cap from the new hose. Connect the hoses end to the included quick connect adapter if needed. Then, connect this assembly to the existing water line's quick connect fitting. Tug lightly to ensure it's secure. Step 6. Reattach the weight. The new hose is slightly thinner than the original, so the counterweight might slip. Line the inside of the weight with a strip of rubber sheet, gasket material, or even rubber tape before reattaching it. This will help it grip the new hose properly and allow the nozzle to retract smoothly. Test the faucet. Pull the nozzle out and let it retract. Check for leaks both at the nozzle and under the sink. If everything's working and dry, you're done. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home DIY repairs, fixes, and tutorials. Got questions or ran into a problem? Drop a comment below. I'd be happy to help. See you in the next one.